Hey, how's it going? I'm Antonio.cole, Customer Success Manager at Momentum IoT, the finest in asset tracking devices. And I'm here to give you a quick class on how to look at your dashboard so you can view your assets. So with no further ado, let's pull up a chair, open that web browser, and let's view your assets. First step is type in app.momentumiot.com in your web browser. Then enter your email address followed by your password and then click login. Once you do that, you can either save or choose to not save your password. And there you go. You can see all your assets followed by your map view. If you have any questions, please reach out to me directly at antonio.cole at momentumiot.com or give me a call at 323-786-4523. Thank you and have a great day.